Triumph is at it, well, I guess again or new. For the enduro side of things, they have signed Johnny Walker from their official Triumph Racing Instagram saying, quote, Triumph Racing is thrilled to welcome elite enduro racer Johnny Walker to the team. Red Bull UK athlete Walker will be participating in the 2025 FIM Super Enduro World Championship. In addition to this, hard enduro and enduro GP events are on his radar for the year, as well as securing a wild card in the current year's AMA Endurocross Series. Apparently, his first official race with them will be will be on, let's put it that way, October 5th, and it will be for the Indoor Enduro Championships held in Newcastle Utila Arena. And that is before, obviously, next year's 2025 events. And I mean, now you gotta say, even though this is still technically dirt bike racing, it is a very different form of things because it's all about clutch control, throttle control, body control, not just about pure speed. It's who can handle the objectives or obstacles the best. And I mean, even I, who has not watched a lot of endurocross, I'll be honest about that. It is still very exciting when I see it, but it's just one of those things that doesn't seem to be, I don't want to say as popular, but as well published or as well put out there as a lot of others like racing sports. It's still incredible to watch, and I know the name Johnny Walker. So Triumph is definitely throwing some money at this, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, obviously they've got the AMA side of things, developing the 450, and now into this. It's just going to be one of those things that, are they throwing too much in the pan at one time, trying to build a team on multiple different disciplines? There we go. Over, you know, continents. It's not even just one continent now, it's over into Europe and everything else. I don't know. I hope they do well, and I'd like to see them be competitive into this, but I guess this is where I leave you guys. Comment down below, you tell me. Do you watch Endurocross? Are you part of this? Are you interested in it? Do you think they'll do well? Or would you rather see them just kind of, do one thing at a time, develop the 250, develop the 450, and then start into other forms of racing? But that's what I'm asking you. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.